Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unban OmeTv on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to unban OmeTv on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen, and then you have to simply open your app store, and then you have to search here for VPN. So guys, simply search for VPN, and after this scroll it below, and you have to simply download and install private VPN on your device. So guys, here you will have to simply search for private VPN. Let me search for private VPN. Here it is. You have to simply download and install this VPN on your device, and after this open the VPN, and then you have to simply connect your device with this VPN. So guys, simply connect your device with this VPN, and after this you have to open your app store again, and then you have to simply search here for OmeTv, and now you have to simply download and install the latest version of OmeTv on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back and then open the settings, and then scroll it below and tap on general, and then scroll it below and tap on language and region, and then tap on region and select your country or region where the OmeTv is available. So guys, simply select that country, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.